So I have the Huawei Watch Fit 4, and I'll be showing you how to turn off workout auto detection. So if your watch automatically detects workout every time you're walking or just jogging slightly, and it keeps telling you to record this workout, and you don't want that, you can turn that feature off. So just press the crown once. That opens up the main menu of your watch, and you can scroll up and down looking for the settings icon. So tap on that. That takes you to this main settings page. Now on this main settings page, if you scroll down, you should see workout settings. Tap on that, and then you can scroll again and you should see auto detect workouts. So it's currently on, as you can see. So you can tap on that and then turn this feature off. So that's going to make your watch stop automatically detecting your workouts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.